Now question number 53 is just the second part of linked data of question 52. It is asked that now if value of alpha of question number 52 is changed to 2, then what will be the resulting fixed end moment if beta mf, where mf is the fixed end moment in prismatic section, that is what we obtained in 52. Mf is given as, this mf is given as 5.33 that we calculated in previous part, that was option C. And it is asked that now if section is made like this, that it is having different properties at the end. This is 2ei, this is ei, and this is again 2ei, and this end is again fixed at this particular end, and span is L. So it is asked that what is the value of beta into 5.33, because now mf dash is defined as beta into mf, where value of mf is used from previous question that was related to prismatic section. Now whenever the ends are stiffened, that is done to increase the value of fixed end moments, and to increase the value of fixed end moments, obviously beta has to be greater than 1. You can solve this question by using the conjugate beam method, but exact analysis will be quite subjective for this 2-mark question. So here you have to apply some brain that okay, now ends are stiff, that means value of mf dash has to be greater than mf, which implies beta has to be greater than 1, which is only and only given in option B. So value of beta has to be 1.125. Those who are interested, they can also check by using calculation, that repeat the same procedure for question 52. Draw a simply supported beam, and mf by ei diagram is also drawn. It will look something like this. It will be something like this. So it will not be a perfectly rectangular. It will be having different height here, different height here. So exact analysis and balancing becomes quite difficult. So apply some quick logic here. We get answer as B. Thank you.